Okay, so I want us to discuss indices, and under indices, we are looking at law of indices. Law of indices 1 is multiplication. So multiplication, it is the same as addition sign. So the base must be the same. Law of indices, the base must be the same. So we are looking at multiplication. Multiplication is the same as addition. For example, y plus y power a times y power b is equivalent to, as you can see, this is the multiplication sign. Y power a times y power b is equivalent to, multiplication is the same as addition. So it is y, we add the powers, so it is a plus b is equals to y a plus b. Example, we have y power 6 times y power 2. I have said ensure the base is the same. Multiplication is the same as addition. So we're going to add the powers. So y power 6 plus 2, which is equivalent to y power 8. Number 2, we have division. Division as law of indices. So division is the same as subtraction. Division is the same as subtraction. For example, we have y power a divided by y power b is equals to y. As you can see, we have the division sign. Division sign, law of indices, it is the same as minus. So you have to take a minus b. For example, y power 6 divided by y power 2 is equivalent to, the base is the same, the base is y. So next, so it is y, we focus on the powers, so it is y 6, because it is a division is the same as minus 6 minus 2, so the answer is y power 4. Y power 4. So in short, multiplication is the same as addition, division is the same as minus. Next, number 2. That is number 2. Next, number 2 is, number 3, that is power. For example, we have y power a higher. So law of indices, we are supposed to multiply the powers, the two powers. So which are those two powers? We have a and b. So you take y a times b, you get y as a b, y power a b. So anytime ukiona swali inakaa iko na power, that is a, open the bracket, then another power, we are supposed to times the powers. Next, for example, we have y power 6, then the bracket power 2. So this is the equivalent to, we multiply the powers, that is y 6 times 2, we get y power 12. Number 4, our fourth law of indices, negative power. Negative power. negative power. So negative power, it is the same as reciprocal. Negative power, it is the same as reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of A? It is 1 over A. So I have said negative means reciprocal. That is power negative. Yes. It means reciprocal. For example, what is the reciprocal of 5? It is 1 over 5. Higher. Next, law of indices. Next law of indices is fractional power. That is number 5. Fractional power. Fractional power. Fractional power. Fractional power. Fractional power. So fractional power. So fractional power, for example, I want to give you an example. Instead of writing, this is the square root. You know that this is the square root. So this means square root. Then cube root, it is denoted as cube root 3. That is. So indices, square root is denoted as, so square root, so this is the square root, so square root is denoted as y power a half. Cube root is denoted as y power 1 over 3. What about fourth root? Fourth root is denoted as y power 1 over 4. So anytime ukiona, for example, acha niwape example hapa. Example, example 25 1 over 2. 25 power 1 over 2. Power a half. Power a half means square root. So what is the square root of 25? It is 5. Higher. Another one, we have 8 power 1 over 3. Power 1 over 3, that is the same as cube root of 8, which is 2. Cube root of 6, cube root of 8, which is 2. So this one is equivalent to 2. Higher. So that means power, not beta, power 1 over 2, that is the square root. So that is y power is 1 means square root. Then power 1 over 3, it is the same as cube root. Y power 1 over 3 is the same as cube root. Yes, those are the laws of indices. Number 1, multiplication. Number 2, division. Number 3, power. Number 4, negative index. Then number 5 is fractional power. Fractional power. Fractional power. Then, can you ensure the base is the same? So you ensure the base is the same. Ensure the base is the same. For example, I want us to apply the 5 law of indices. We have example 1. Example 1 is solve 2 power x is equals to 8. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. So here, always make the base to be the same. The base must be the same. That is the key point. The base must be the same. So, tumepewa 2. Tumepewa 2 power x is equals to 8. So 8, we can write it as 2 power 3. The base must be the same. The base. This is the base. So instead of writing 8, we can write it as 2 power 3. So it is 2 power x is equals to 2 power 3. After the base is the same, we focus with the powers. So the power is x is equals to 3. So the value of x is 3. Higher, example 2. Example 2. We have 4x is equals to 1 over 4. Find the value of x. 4 power x is equals to 1 over 4. The base must be the same. The base must be the same. So as you can see, we have 4 and then we have 1 over 4. The base must be the same. This is a fraction and this is a whole number. Law of indices. Power negative means reciprocal. So we can write this question as 4 power x is equals to 4 power negative 1. 4 power negative 1 is the same as 1 over 4. Can you check? Is the base the same? Yes. Now can you find the value of x? X is equals to negative 1. Higher. Next example, we have example 3. We have 9 power 2x is equals to 3x minus 1. The base must be the same. So this is 9. 9, we can write it as 3 power 2. So we substitute now in our question. Our aim is to make the base the same. So 3 power 2, this is the same as 9. And 9 ilikuwa na power 2x is equals to 3x minus 1. Using law of indices, this one, it is power. I said when you have 2 powers, you multiply the 2 powers. So this one is equivalent to 3 power 4x is equals to 3x minus 1. So as you can see, the base is the same. After that, we focus on the powers. So we have 4x, the powers, is equals to x minus 1. Can you find the value of x? So we have to take this x to the other side. It becomes minus. So it is 4x minus x is equals to -1. Next, 4x minus x is 3x is equals to 1. Make x the subject. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So as you can see, the value of x is 1 over 3. The value of x is 1 over 3. Example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Simplify this one. Simplify 27 2 over 3. So 27 2 over 3. This is the same as writing. We're supposed to start with the denominator. How can we get 2 over 3? 2 over 3, it is the same as 2 times 1 over 3. So you're supposed to start with 1 over 3. And I said power 1 over 3 is cube root. So we find the cube root. It is the same as writing like this. 27 1 over 3, then power 2. If you take 2 times 1 over 3, we get 2 over 3. Can you find the cube root of 27? If you find the cube root of 27, we get 3. Then we have power 2. 3 power 2 is the same as 9. Next. We have 5. 2x plus 3 times 5 4 minus x is equals to 25. Find the value of x. Step 1. Can you ensure the base is the same? As you can see, this is 5, 5 and 25. 25, we can write it as a 5 power 2. I substitute. So it is 5 power 2x plus 3 times 5 4 minus x is equals to 5 power 2. As you can see, the base is the same. Now we focus on the powers. So as you can see, this is the multiplication sign. That means we are supposed to add the powers. So we have 2x plus 3. The multiplication sign is the same as addition sign, plus 4 minus x is equals to 2. Make x the subject. So we have 2x minus x plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 2. So 2x minus x is x, then plus 3 plus 4 is 7 is equals to 2. Make x the subject. So we take 7 to the other side, it becomes minus. So it is x is equals to 2 minus 7, and x is equivalent to -5. So can you ensure the base is the same? After making the base to be the same, apply the law of indices. Apply the law of indices. Next example, we have 3 power 4y times 3 power 2y is equals to 9. the base must be the same. That is this statement that I am always emphasizing on. Ensure the base is the same. Ensure the base is the same. Higher. So we have 3, we have 9. The base, we have the base is 3, and 9. The base must be the same. As you can see, this 9, it is the same as writing 3 power 2. Substitute now. So it is 3 power 4y times 3 power 2y is equals to 3 power 2. 9 becomes 3 power 2. After the base is the same, we will now focus on the powers. And we apply the law of indices. Law of indices, multiplication, it is the same as addition. So that means we are supposed to add the powers. So 4y, then multiplication sign is the same as addition, plus 2y is equals to 2. You add the 2. 4y plus 2y is 6y is equals to 2. Make y the subject, divide both sides by 6 by 6. So y is equals to 1 over 3. Next example, we have 5 power 4x times 125 power 2 is equals to 25 power 12. The base must be the same. The base must be the same. As you can see, we have the base 5, 125 and 25. These must be the same. The base must be the same. So 125, we can write it as 5 power 3. 25, we can write it as 5 power 2. After that, we substitute. So we have 5 power 4x times 125. 125, it is the same as writing 5 power 3. 5 power 3. Then you have to close it with a bracket. Then 125, it had power 2 is equals to 25. It is the same as writing. It is the same as writing 5 power 2 and 25 had power 12. We can use power indices, whereby we are going to multiply the powers. So this one becomes 5 power 4x times 5 power 6. That is 3 times 2. 3 times 2, we get 6 is equals to 5 times the powers. We take 2 times 12, we get 25. So as you can see, the base is the same. After making the base to be the same, we now focus on the powers. So the powers that we have is 4x, 6, and 24. Law of indices, multiplication is the same as addition. So it is 4x plus 6 is equals to 24. 4x plus 6 is equals to 24. Make x the subject. So we have to take this one to the other side. It becomes minus. So you take, it becomes minus. So you take plus 6 to the other side. So you take 4x is equals to 24 minus 6 is 18. Make x the subject. So divide by 4. Divide by 4. So when you take 18 divided by 4, 18 divided by 4, we get x as 4.5. So as you can see, when you are given a question related to indices, you are supposed to make the base to be the same. After making the base to be the same, apply the law of indices. Apply the 5 law of indices. Next question, we have 3 power 3 plus x, then divide by 27, x plus 1 is equals to 9. Step 1, the base must be the same. That is the first step. The base must be the same. The base must be the same. We have 3 bases. We have base 3, base 27, and base 9. The 3 bases must be the same. So 27, we can write 27 as 3 power 3. Also 9, we can write it as 3 power 2. We substitute to our question. 3 power 3 plus x, then divide by 27. It is the same as writing 3 power 3, then 27, it had x plus 1 is equals to 9 is the same as writing 3 power 2. Next, we apply law of indices. As you can see, this is the division. Division is the same as minus. So we have to subtract the powers. So as you can see, the base is the same. The base is 3, 3, 3. We focus on powers. So it is 3 plus x. Division is the same as minus. Then we have 3, open the bracket, x plus 1 is equals to 2. Open the bracket, 3 plus x minus 3x, negative 3 times positive 1 is the same as minus 3 is equals to 2. Next, make x the subject. So it is x minus 3x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 2. Or we can take this one to the other side. We can decide to take plus 3 to the other side and plus 3 to the other side. So it is x minus 3x plus 0 plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0, which is equivalent to 2. Next, x minus 3x is the same as negative 2x is equals to 2. Make x the subject, so divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So x is equals to negative 1. X is equals to negative 1. Now that is the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Gerard. Share and comment. Thank you for the lesson.